Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving a problem. Sometimes we log in on our PC and we could not find this PC. So for that, right click on your mouse, then go to personalization tab. After entering the settings, then go to theme tab. On theme tab, you can find desktop icon settings. Sometimes it's down here. In my case it's on up. Click on it, then check computer. You can check the other control panel, network, user files, and then click apply. Okay, back to desktop and you can see this PC is here. So it's pretty easy. Hope this video helps you. Please like, share.